Hi, it's Amy of Amy Groff Fine Art, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I did my very first acrylic pour painting. Okay, so here's our setup for our acrylic pour painting that we're going to do. I have a bin that I found down here with some tin cans and some old racks with my canvas on top. Okay, so this is what's going to hold the extra paint. We have our floetrol. We have our floetrol. We have our mixing containers, our pouring container, water, and our paint. So I'm just using whatever acrylic paints I have: a white, yellow, magenta, and blue. Okay, I'm gonna mix them all together now. Okay, so we have our colors mixed: white, yellow, magenta, and blue. They're mixed with floetrol and water. And we're going to pour them into this cup here. And then we're going to do a dirty pour and flip it onto that canvas. Alright, so this is silicone. I'm putting 2 drops of silicone in here. I might have done a little bit more.
What does silicone do?
It makes these things called cells in the final piece. You'll see when we're done, it makes like little things. So we're doing a dirty pour. So we're going to take this and we're going to flip it. And I'm going to put it down here. All right, now video down here, Ben. You got that? We're going to let it sit for a minute. So it can all drip down. And then we're going to lift it up. And we're going to see what magic happens.
I think
it's ready?
Yeah.
All right, you got this, Ben?
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Whoa! And we're going to tap some off of the side here.
Go!
Alright, so we're gonna sort of let that do its thing and spread out, and then I'm gonna tilt it and help it along and get into some of these corners.
Now you're just pulling it off.
Yeah, that's what it is. Whoa. Let's go down this way.
You know that you'll have to clean this up, right?
I know. Why do you think I'm doing this over a bin? And let's go a little bit this way.
Oh, you're doing it on a bin?
Yeah, you didn't notice that?
No. You're so exciting!
Alright.
And here is our masterpiece.
There it is.
Here our masterpiece.
Okay, and this is what we've got so far, and it's looking really cool on the bottom too. So we're going to try and stick some paper into that. I should have put something underneath to catch all that cool design, but this is what we're doing.
We're doing it.
I did want to tell you, since I forgot to say it during the video when we were recording, because I forgot, was the ratios of paint that we used to floetrol. I used 2/3 floetrol to 1/3 paint, and then enough water to make it where it would run off of my stirring stick. So whatever amount you're mixing up, I did 2/3 floetrol, 1/3 paint, and a little bit of water. My son's hand also covered the camera when I was flipping it over. All I did was I had the cup and I put the canvas on top like this, and I flipped it like that and then put it down on my tray. So we also did take some gessoed watercolor paper that I had from a previous project to dip into the paint that went underneath that canvas, since I didn't think to put anything underneath it and I didn't want to waste all of that paint. So here's some examples of what we did get from dipping into what was extra there. So I'm going to use these as like little note cards or thank you notes, you know, for teachers or gifts, anything like that. They're just blank on the back, but I thought they turned out pretty cool. So for the rest of these, I did put either wood panels or more canvas underneath, so what was dripping could catch and I could make another painting out of that, which this one is a result of these two, and this one is a result of this and another purple one that's over there. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know if you've ever tried acrylic pouring before, and if you have, what you like to do. Maybe some tips for me, since I've just started and really have just been doing it for like a day and a half. So all right, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.